In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily create album in iPhone photos. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. Then tap right here to head over to Albums. To create new album, tap at this plus icon and then select New Album. Enter a name for that album and tap at Save. After that, you will be prompted to add some pictures to that album. Actually, that is my camera roll, and from here, in that way, simply by checkmarking photos and videos, we are able to add them to the album we have created. The total number of all the selected photos and videos are showing right here at the very bottom. We can also get to some specific album to select photos from here. Keep in mind that all the items you have selected are still selected. Also, we can search for a content by media types albums, that is auto-generated album, and they may help us to search for some specific types of content, let's say like selfies or videos. In the same way, we can checkmark those images we would like to add to our new album. Once you've selected all the images, tap at Add. That will create the album and add all the images to that particular album. If we tap right here at three dots, we'll be able to add new photos in any time in the same way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.